Oh my gosh. Hello, you guys. Um, right now I feel super down. My mood is so super bad. I just want to share my emotion, my feeling right now. It because how to say? I have been spending a lot of my time, days and days, to create a automation Python script that will help me automation update shots, pictures, or status on my Instagram. Yes, I've been successful to finish the script, but the problem is that cost me to create this shots. I don't know this is will become shots or a long video. I don't know, but it cost me to create this video. Why? I was thinking Threads is children of Instagram, and Threads will focus on the young generation user. So that's why I try to create another script to automation update shorts because I already have a lot of videos, source, pictures that I create for my YouTube. So in order to grow my audience, I have to explore myself with a lot of platforms out there. So there are like TikTok, Instagram, Threads, X, a lot of platforms, right? So I have to expand my videos out there to attract more audience to my YouTube videos. Almost finished the script on sweat on dress on oh my goodness, dress dress. I don't know, whatever. Right now I'm gonna think in English. I almost finished successful in thread Python script yesterday night after run the script a lot of times to check if it will be correct, update the list on JSON or maybe Excel after a lot of times. I think Threads detect the bot, but in the meantime, I also think that when I look at the Threads application, it is so simple. So I don't think Threads is enough developed yet. If I spend 10 effort to create a script on Instagram, that will be only 2 effort I put in to create a automation Python script shots on Threads. It certainly just said the password is incorrect. But how? I didn't change the password. I have been run the script for all the time. If the password is incorrect, how can I run the script even the first time, right? Oh my gosh. So it just like certainly show up the notification that the password is incorrect. And okay, I think, okay, I will try to change the password to make it like, oh my gosh, I need to apply the lipstick. Okay, let me go back. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, my image right now is so super bad. Like my scrap, I've been treatment with my scrap. So hopefully I can roll more hair from here to here. So because my forehead is pretty big, so I just want to like cover, like just have a short forehead. So yeah, and then my hair here is not like in a good shape. Okay, anyway, just my image right now is not very good, so never mind. Just want to share my moment. Yeah, so I think okay, I will go to change the password. And oh my gosh, it is so terrible. Why? I have been trying to change the password since yesterday night till now. It's like almost 24 hours. Just only stay in front of the computer to change the password, you know, and try to log in after changing the password. Every time it always shows the notification that my password is incorrect, even though I just copy and paste the password. So I don't tap. How can it say that my password is incorrect? I only Control C and Control V only. I don't tap. So I think, okay, maybe I should tap. And then I change the method. I tap every single keyboard for the password, but it show again it isn't correct the password. Okay, I think, okay. And I change the method that I will try to change the password on my phone. It's the same issue. I don't know what's wrong. If it detect the bot, it should detect on Instagram first, right? Because Instagram is the main social media. Threads is just only small, like haven't developed yet. If you look at the Threads application, you will totally understand what I am saying. That Threads is just so simple. It doesn't have much buttons. And login also very simple, only one page, and you can log in already. But Instagram, it will turn on 3 pages when you log in, when you log in or automation login. So I don't know what's problem here. That's why I'm making this video. It's because I have been wasting my time to create the automation uploads videos or shorts automation post on Instagram. I even finished already. I success already. Like I have a Excel format, right? I have an Excel form where I will use the videos that I post on YouTube, and it will automation schedule update on Instagram. So I have a schedule on Tuesday every week. I will update a shorts for teaching Vietnamese subject, and Saturday night I will update a shorts for the rest, like travel or unboxing or my life or my pets, my dog and cat. I finished already. My script on Instagram finished already, so it's ready to update on this Saturday. The first time I will re-update again because I have been temporarily stop to update on Instagram because I don't have time to just open this platform and another platform and another platform to update the videos. I explore myself to create the script on Threads, and now I cannot use my Instagram automation script that I have been sacrificing my time, effort. Oh my gosh. I've almost finished my script on Threads too. And now it's like everything is gone. It's like I was 9 or 10, like only one step left. And today I become 0. Oh my gosh. Oh, my hair is so terrible. Oh my gosh. What can I do today? I seriously, I don't want to do anything. I feel like I'm behind the world. I feel like I'm useless. I have been stopped doing everything, just only focus on create a few script to automation, update videos on social medias. So I just only focus on film videos and edit video. Oh my god, what can I do right now? Now, even whatever I try to change the password of Instagram, I still cannot log in. It always showed me the password isn't correct. And now I cannot log in my Instagram and Threads and all of the scripts I have been create. Like, oh my gosh, it takes me so long. It takes me a while to create the scripts. Now everything is gone. Oh my gosh, I don't know what to do right now. I feel so bad. Can somebody hug me? I don't know if I can say I'm stupid or not. I cannot say I'm stupid because I create myself the scripts. You know, you have to be smart to create the scripts. Not everyone create the scripts like me. Every people, they just using the button on the application to update, to make a post. For me, I don't just want to click on the button to make a post, to post a video shorts. I want to create a Python automation script that I will have like Excel form. So from that Excel form, the script will look at that automation, schedule, update for me. So now everything is gone. My dream is gone. So I don't know if I still able to update on my social media or not. I feel I'm useless. After everything, I feel like I'm back to the beginning. Oh my god, I want to cry. I want to cry. I thought yesterday it showed like that. So maybe I just only need to take a rest, sleep over. Tomorrow it will start again for me. It will like everything will be good. But today I open my computer again. It's still the same problem here. I feel I feel pain. I feel so pain right here. Can somebody help me? Every day I have to spend my time in front of the computer. I sacrifice a lot, and right now it's just like one moment. Oh my gosh.
Có cái con mà đi Đà Lạt mà bị hành hạ là cũng hết chi đúng không nhỉ?
Nó ra với Sam hay sao Sam môi.
Cái tên Đà Lạt đó,
Dạ.
cái đợt đó.
Dòng khác dạ Sam sao? Chết.
Ủa sao bạn đánh đá rằng bà nhỏ mà đánh đá kia không?
Chứ sao?
Cái bát mình nhả liền chén nữa.
Bị ăn hiếp à? Vừa lắm.
Nấu mà bị dân hiếp mà nấu.
Hiếp gì nữa? Ôi ngay. Kệ cho nó giỡn thì không sao đâu. Để sao đừng cắn nhau được rồi. Ôi trời ơi, có cái cọng dây chuyền nữa à. Có cọng dây chuyền à.
Con này nó căng kiện lắm chứ, đứa nào nó cũng dễ thương lắm á.
Dễ thương ghê, trời ơi.
Nó hiền lắm.
Nhỏ quá ha.
Nhưng mà có điều là con này biết sao rồi nó